Open a new file in Photoshop. Create a new layer called Layer 1. Take the brush tool and draw a random shape. Now, use the Move tool to adjust the shape to the center of the screen. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the existing shape. Use the Move tool to ensure that there is a creation of a new copy of that shape. Then press Ctrl T to free transform. You can see a plus point in the center of this shape. It is we call pivot. You just imagine that pivot is like a nail and the shape is like a photo. When you hang the photo on the nail, you nail as a base point. For example, I keep this in the left top. When you rotate it, you can see the nail is hanged and the photo is rotated. Now keep the pivot in one of the center of the circle. Now rotate that circle and hit enter. Then to repeat the previous activity, press Ctrl Shift Alt T. You can see same similar like images formed. It is nothing but it creates it another duplicate and then the change that you has made in the pre-activity. You can see that there is a creation of wonderful flower. To move this, you have to select every layers except the background. After selection, right click and press merge layers. With the help of move tool, you can move that anywhere that you want. Then I create another duplicate of the pre-existing shape. I will drag that shape and free transform that. I will shrink and minimize the shape and I will place the shape exactly top of the large circle and I hit enter. Now create another duplicate of the existing shape, that is the small circle, and then place the pivot exactly centered to the large circle and then I will rotate that circle small with the degree that you want. I will rotate 22 degrees. Then hit enter. To repeat the previous activity, press Ctrl Alt Shift T. This will create a wonderful image. It looks like a rangoli. Now you can see that the random shape creates such a wonderful and different diagram. With your creative and different ideas, you can create many of the shapes.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.